We got Cadillac xt5 and we are going to replace the wiper blade on the rear window. So ignition is on, of course the arm is hidden, and then we're gonna turn on wipers. Soon as it's gonna be down, we're gonna quickly turn off the ignition. So let's do it. Oh, okay, cool. Ignition is off. This is of course way easier to access it. In order to remove it, let's see, there is a little knob right here. You press it with finger. First it goes all the way in like that, I mean away, press it, and then it goes in. It will snap right out. So this one, it's already brand new one, but this one is old one. Please let me know if you know why it's like a little ruler here. You can see numbers right here. You see it? Numbers on the blade right here. 17, 18, 19. It's like inches or centimeters. But this is on 25. Maybe if it's at a certain, if it's broke at a 25, 24, you have to replace it. But even if it chips a little bit, I would kind of encourage to replace this puppy. So this one original, this one a little bit wider, just a little bit wider right here. This one sits pretty tight. This is the brand Rain-X, and it's R. R stands, I believe, for rear. 12 inches, the sucker, 1 foot right there. I think it's $14 at the store.